making a video of Fig.
I made a video of Peaches. Oh, did you get that?
Yeah.
You know, you can take pictures from the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fig does look a little bit fatter than Peaches.
Yeah.
Let's give them some treats.
Yeah.
What do they have? What can they eat?
They could eat those temptations.
They're paper towels.
They made a huge mess out of these paper towels. You're playing. You're playing, Fig. They're having a lot of fun in there. They forgot they're wearing shirts. They're just jumping on each other and playing with the paper towels.
This looks to me and fits like those jeans that you expect a lot more. Except a lot more for jeans, and I haven't loved it yet. Right. Exactly right. See, look at all the girls with a boot, with a pump. I mean, it just is fantastic. And by the way, Jamie has on that top that Melissa's wearing. We all love that blouse, and that one, the final 100 only, doesn't she look? Jamie looks so cute. It's so cute of you. Oh, it just is. And look at these, Jamie. Do you love those jeans?
It's come down to this.
Why am I watching this? I'm staring at it, not really even paying attention to what it is, and then I just realized, why am I watching fat ladies model these clothes? Nice pants, man.
You just stay there.
Ugh. I'm just so totally zoned out. Hillary Clinton testimony. That chair's too big for that little man. Look at him, he's tiny.
C-SPAN is really boring.
Oh yeah, it's really boring.
It doesn't even matter what they're talking about. They just can't make it interesting.
No, they can't. Even this is a very important issue, but they can't.
It's unwatchable.
Yeah, it is. I can't
A
handle
bunch of
it.
people doing their job working.
Yes, exactly.
Like,
If we're doing our work, we have to have these discussions.
Jews have been a continuous concern.
Who are these people?
Yes. We discussed it this past
San Jose City Council. That's real exciting.
Well, I think that would be because right now you don't have that, so there's no way to communicate outside of off.
well, that's even worse.
It is. It's
Because
just
they're talking about less important things.
yeah. It's just the city council discussing a property on East Hamilton and
Oh
South
my God.
Bascom.
It's the same thing, but it's less important topics.
Exactly. Nobody cares about South Bascom Avenue. High school football. Oh, that's also
No one's there
very
like that.
yeah. It's the little high school kids.
Classic arts.
Oh,
That's
lovely.
not classic arts.
Not at
Someone
all.
getting beat up.
I don't think so. Classic Arts Showcase.
Ballet art. Or there was this breaking news or something.
Warning, disturbing images. Calls for closure of prison over abuse and corruption. It's in New York. Is this the BBC or something?
I don't know. It doesn't seem like it. What is this? Press info?
Classic Arts Showcase. Yeah.
What?
Sounds weird.
Yeah. What?
What? They replaced a statue of Stalin with one of Darth Vader. Why would they do that?
This is the channel you'd watch if you were stuck in a hotel somewhere.
Exactly. Yeah. You would sit and watch it. We have done that on occasion.
Yeah.
Especially in Spain. There was nothing on TV at all. We sat and watched that travel guy. BBC, what's his name? Richard Quest or something. Halloween Baking Championship. There you go.
What was it? Classic Arts Showcase?
Yeah. Oh no, not Snow White and the Huntsman.
She's always making that face the
Oh
entire
my
movie.
God. Are we in Pakistan and we didn't realize?
Yeah, because of the news.
Yeah. This is one of the worst
It's
movies
unwatchable.
ever
Oh
made.
my God. Then she ate the poison apple. The one time her mouth needed to be open, it wasn't.
Yeah. Man. Spit out the apple. It tastes bad.
The one time her mouth should be open, it wasn't.
Man.
It was closed. She ate the whole thing.
And this is the movie that ruined her relationship.